Alright, say hi, Daddy. I wanted you to see my first experience with bananas. So we're going to do it on video for you. Right? Let's see if you like nanas. Not to be confused with your Nana. Right? Ooh, what was that? It's sweeter than avocados. You should like it better. What do you think? Not bad, huh? Not bad. Say, Dad, bananas aren't that bad. You should eat them more. They're good for you. Need more bananas? In your mouth, not out. In your mouth. Good, huh? Tasty, tasty. Yay, bananas! Everybody got bananas. Yum! Yum, yum, yum. Yummy! No, in the mouth. Stay in the mouth, bananas. Not on the tin. Oh, in the mouth. Look, Mommy eats banana too. See, Mommy eats the banana. That banana is good. Wanna try it? Wanna try the big banana? See, it's the same thing. Yum, yum, yum. No, don't eat the skin. You don't want the skin. Alright, forget that idea. Bad idea. Alright, how about some of these bananas? Yum, yum, yum. Tasty, huh? Yeah. You like these better than the smashed avocados? Better than your guac? Everybody say, go bananas, go bananas. I don't know the rest of the words to the song, but your daddy does. Yummy bananas. Good, huh? Yeah. Not bad. Alright, say bye, Daddy. Say bye-bye, Daddy.